Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our math class. Students, today we are going to attempt our last topic of this chapter and of this final term as well. Okay. This is our final topic and this is about finding area of a triangle. We already have done this topic on our book yesterday, but today we are going to attempt this topic again on our workbook from page number 215. Okay, students, question is here, find the area of each shaded triangle. Okay, this shaded triangle is given on the box. Okay, boxes, with the help of boxes. So each single box is equals to 1 centimeter. First of all, we have to understand which one is base here and which one is height here, because we already knew the formula, that is area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 multiply by base multiply by height. Okay, students, for example, if we have to count this side, BC side, as a base, so it will be equal to 8 centimeter. How we did know that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means this is equals to 8 centimeter. And height should be on this side. Okay, if we draw a dotted line here, and this will be the height and it is perpendicular to the base, so we are going to count how many boxes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way the height is 6. 1 by 2 multiply by 8 multiply by 6. 8 6 are 48. 48 divided by 2, you will get your answer, that will be 24 centimeter square. Okay, this was the example. Now first question A is here. First of all, you have to write the formula. Area is equal to 1 by 2 multiply by base multiply by height. Okay, if this is the base, so it will be equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 centimeter. And height, we are going to count height from this side. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे हम इसको डॉटेड लाइन के साथ शो करें, that will be our height. And how many boxes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is equal to 9 centimeter. 7 9s are 63, divided by 2, you will get your answer in decimal, that will be equal to 31.5 centimeter square. Move to the next page. Question number B. Again, formula 1 by 2 multiply by base multiply by height. And what will be base here? This will be base. RS is the base here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the base is equals to 8 centimeter. And height, if we draw the dotted line here, this is the this will be the height. Okay, or even we can extend this, we can extend this triangle like here. अगर यहाँ पे हम इसको extend करके ये वाली height लेंगे, that will be equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be equal to 5. 8 5s are 40, divided by 2, you will get your answer, that is 20 centimeter square. Okay, ये तो हमने boxes के साथ की है. अगर हमारे पास simple values given है किसी भी triangle की, तो that will be easy for us. Just we have to put the formula and we have to recognize which one is base, which one is height, and then after putting the values we will get our answer. In this figure you can see, students, which one is base here? Base is 20. And which one is height here? Here height is given, that is 26 centimeter. Students, don't be confused whether 28 is base or 20 is base. आपको पता है कि बेस हमेशा जो है वो राइट एंगल बनाती है, उस पर जो हाइट है वो परपेंडिकुलर होता है. अब हाइट तो इस वाली साइड पे हमारा परपेंडिकुलर है ना, ये देखें आप, एल शेप राइट एंगल बन रहा है यहाँ पे, इस वाली साइड पर तो नहीं बन रहा. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दिस वैल्यू. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक base as a 20 centimeter. After multiplying and dividing by 2, you will get your answer. Question B. Very easy, students. You can see which one is base here. 7 centimeter is base. And which one is height? 24. You can see this is making L shape right angle here. Don't take 25 centimeter because this is not making L shape right angle here. This is not perpendicular on the base. Okay. After putting the values, you will get your answer. Move to the next page. Students, I am just टेलिंग यू कि कौन सी बेस और हाइट है, क्योंकि आपका फॉर्मूला भी पता है और आपको प्रोसीजर भी पता चल चुका है हाउ यू विल अटेम्प्ट दीज क्वेश्चंस. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, आपकी सिर्फ ये इन्फोर्समेंट हो रही है हाउ यू विल रिकोगनाइज विच इज़ बेस एंड विच इज़ हाइट. वैल्यूज़ भी आपको पुट करनी आती है और आपको आंसर भी फाइंड आउट करना आता है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. विच वन इज़ बेस हेयर? बेस इज 8. यू कैन सी दिस इज मेकिंग एल शेप हेयर एंड आवर height is here. After extending this triangle, they give us the value of height, that is 35 meter. You will put the values and you will get your answer. Okay, question number D. Yes, which one is base here, students? You can see they extend the triangle, okay, about here and as well here. If the base is we are going to take this one is base. Okay, this is base as a 10 meter, and what will be height will be 20 meter. Don't take this one, okay students, क्योंकि इसकी तो वैल्यू हमें गिवन नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे एल शेप तो बन रही है, लेकिन वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दिस वन एज अ हाइट. ओके, क्योंकि हमें हाइट की वैल्यू गिवन नहीं है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू take this one as a base and this is as a height. Next question, very easy. Which one is base here? 12 meter, and height is also 12 meter, because this is making L shape right angle here. So after multiplying and by dividing 2, you will get your answer. Question F. Students, this is also looking very easy. First of all, you have to write formula 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, and base will be equal to 30 meter. Students, don't add this 6 meter. आपको कल भी बताया था. You have to take the original value of original triangle. Extend तो की हुई है क्योंकि हमने height उसकी measure करनी थी, but don't take that value as a base. Base will be equal to only 30 meter and height will be 15 meters. So after multiplying them, you will get your final answer, that is equals to 225 meters square. Students, attempt these questions very carefully, and this is our last topic of this chapter. So please students, do these questions very carefully. If you have any query regarding these questions or any question, so you can ask to me personally. Okay, I'll be available to all of you. Thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.